Okay, so this is where we're at. I have it wired up pretty close to the Digimic setup. I went through and broke it all down and just tried to break down just the red section and just to get the red to light. And I did that on the Arduino with digital pin 9. And just setting up red, I managed to get the function correct on red. Oop. I can go up and down with my up and my down. So then I copy pasted the code for the red after I got red working, and I changed the functions from red LED, red G button, or red button up to, G LED, G button up, G button down. Just copy pasted that code and commented them out in separate sections for the red, green, and the loop and the setup. And then I got the green to work function properly. Up and down, up and down. However, I did the same thing for the blue, and the blue is wired the same way as red and green. Green goes here into 9, red into 9, green into 10, and blue into 11. But I get no function whatsoever out of the blue. And again, I copy pasted the code, changed red LED to B LED and so forth. And you can see that in the code that I'll upload. And I have no function whatsoever. Now, if I switch these pins and put the blue in, where's it at? Hang on. So now I've switched the pins so that the blue is in the green section. I can use the green buttons to light up the blue. So near as I can tell, I'm just not getting output on the number 12 pin, because if I plug the green into 12 and I try to use the 12 pin, I don't get green now, but I get blue out of the green pins. So I don't know. I'll upload the code and you see if you can spot what I did wrong. It's probably a code error because everything's wired correctly. I've got my switches going to ground. There's my ground rail, and I changed everything to be correct with the common cathode LED. So these are going to ground, and they're all the switches are wired to the same ground rail. So all the switches are wired correctly. And I have them set up correctly. They go to these pins here. I've played with it a little bit, but I'm pretty sure that 4 and 5 are green, and 6 and 7 are blue, and 2 and 3 are the red. You can see that I've commented that out in the code, I'm pretty sure. But I'll upload that. You look at it and see what you can figure out. Thanks.